Hello again, it's Noob, and I think it's safe to say that, well, we really are in the presence of some beauty today, and what treats. Hard to know where to begin, but I will start here because my eye's always drawn to this lock. This is the Walsall 2000 padlock, and it's not a classic vintage or antique lock. This is actually a lock you can buy even now, I think. You can get hold of them on eBay at any rate, albeit they're not very cheap. This is a 5-lever insurance padlock. There we go. It's just a beautiful, lovely, well-constructed lock, and certainly one that's fitting for any collection. I was lucky enough that some friends of mine bought this for my birthday last year, and I'm really grateful for that because it's a really, really lovely gift, and it's certainly a lock that I've been wanting for some time. Now, we have to talk about this. You may have seen this 2-in-1 tool before, because it's not just a lever padlock pick. Look at all the stuff that comes with it. This is handmade by Jim Sis and Baldylocks, and what this is a 2-in-1 tool which does your lever locks, including padlocks and non-curtained door locks. Here are all the kind of picking and tension tips, and here are, yep, that's right, disc detainer tips as well, and I do have a video of me picking an Abloy Classic with this tool. So it's a real treat to be able to use this tool again to pick such a beautiful padlock. So thank you so much to Baldylocks for lending me that tool. I really appreciate it. Right, that's enough talking. Let's go picking it. So here we are. We're in the vise and we're very much locked up. What we're going to do is just go through the lever pack and going to walk our way through one lever at a time with relatively high tension or torque, and we're trying to just see whether we have a binding lever, and if we do, we're going to lift it up a tiny amount. So not trying to get all the levers set all at once like you might do picking a pin tumbler. You're just moving these by a matter of a couple of millimeters. So that's lever 1, 2, 3, a little more, 4, little more, 5's binding 2, back to 1, nothing, 2, little something there, 3, move that up a bit more, on 4 now, 5, nothing on 1, 2, 3, 4, back to 1 again, 2, 3 seems set, 4, 5, back to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 4, and there we go, got an open. So you could see I was just passing through the levers. Every time one's binding, you just push it up a little further, and the way you test it binding, of course, is just by turning it anyway. If it feels springy, it's not binding. If it feels like it's resisting, just turn this a little more. Anyway, there you go. That's the take that out of the vise. That is the beautiful Walsall 2000 with probably, you could argue, an equally as beautiful lockpick. Isn't that lovely? So yeah, I'm very lucky indeed to be able to play with this. So thank you, Baldylocks, for lending me the 2-in-1, and I hope you all enjoyed watching the video. I certainly enjoyed picking the lock. I'll see you all next time.